8 years. Look how far we've come. I remember chaos. Waves crash. The market roars. Yet we hold the helm steady in every storm. From the very start, our proof stood firm, a proof of trust guarding every voyage. Because we've always kept one promise: to protect our users, no matter the tide. 8 years on, we still sail true. Gold, shining everywhere. Ships fall, swallowed by the whirlpool. Temptation everywhere.
Go! Go straight! Forget the gold! They're fake! We won't risk our crew for gold!
Hidden currents everywhere. Dangers lurking below. But we've seen this before.
Hard starboard! Steady! Hold steady! Watch that swirl! Stay clear!
Finally, we made it. Eight years of tides, storms, and currents. The journey continues. Together, we'll go further. CoinEx, your crypto trading expert.